The mysterious and legendary creatures of the oceans. Loch Ness Monster, Nessie. Nessie, said to live in Scotland's Loch Ness, is a famous monster first reported in 1933. Its existence is still unproven. Blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus. The small blue dragon, notable for its beauty and deadly venom, floats on the ocean's surface with its bright blue color. Mermaids, half human and half fish, are legendary beings said to lure sailors into the sea. Megalodon. The megalodon was a massive prehistoric shark, up to 60 feet long. Most scientists believe it went extinct millions of years ago. Giant squid. The giant squid, with tentacles up to 33 feet, has been a subject of sailors' tales. Its existence was confirmed with a photograph in 2004. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.